All right, drink we're about to make is called Stevie Ray Vaughn. We're going to serve this as a chilled shot. Go ahead and put some ice in a glass. And we'll measure out 1 ounce of Jack Daniels. Any whiskey will do, though. Follow that up with 1 ounce of Southern Comfort. And next we'll add an ounce of Triple Sec. And follow that up with an ounce of Sour Mix. And finally, about 2 ounces of orange juice. All right, let's go ahead and shake it up. Get it nice and cold. Everything mixed together. And get a couple of glasses here. We're going to want some oversized glasses. It's going to be a pretty big shot. And we'll pour it in. There we go. That is a Stevie Ray Vaughn. Bottoms up.